No matter what you're working on, Painless Performance probably has a wiring solution to make your life a lot easier. And let's be honest, none of us like doing wiring. Wiring is tedious, wiring takes a lot of time. Well, Painless does just that. They make this process as painless as possible. Whether it's complete chassis harnesses or just custom wiring for your fan, Painless Performance has everything you need for your modern or classic car. Now, if you're looking to restore your classic Mustang or classic Bronco, Painless Performance offers their direct fit harnesses. Now, this is going to take a lot of the guesswork out of wiring and allow you to replace that 50-year-old wiring with much more modern wiring that makes it a lot easier. I mean, the last thing you want to do with your classic Mustang when you just finished your restoration is deal with troubleshooting wiring, especially 50-year-old wiring. This kit here is for your 67 through 68 Mustang. And these direct fit harnesses are available for 65 through 66, the 67 through 68, or 69 through 70 Mustangs, and also for 66 through 77 Broncos. And this is going to take the guesswork completely out. You can rip out all of the factory wiring from your classic Mustang, and this complete harness comes with everything necessary. Detailed instructions, a modern fuse box, all the wiring is labeled and color coordinated, again making this a direct fit installation, making your process much easier. Plus, these harnesses allow you to expand. If you want to add air conditioning, electric fan, additional features that were never available in the factory Mustang, your Painless Performance harness is going to allow you to do so. Now, over on this side of the table, we have a Painless Performance 23 Circuit Pro Series harness. Now, this is designed for pretty much anything. You can rewire any classic vehicle or even a modern vehicle with a harness like this to make your wiring much, much cleaner. And this is going to come with GM wiring colors, and it's designed for a GM key dash, but again, you can use a GM cylinder on any classic vehicle. So whether it's a classic Ford truck, even up to a modern 80s vehicle, this harness will provide everything necessary for a simple, easy wiring, getting your project back on the road a lot faster. Now, Painless Performance isn't just about chassis harnesses. They have tons of wiring accessories that can make any project easier. Now, shown here is their power braid. Now, the power braid is available in different thicknesses, different lengths, but this is a wire wrap you can use for existing wiring, painless wiring, any other kind of aftermarket wiring to give the installation a much, much cleaner look. This, one of our most popular products from Painless, this is their fan relay. This is designed for an electric fan, again on a classic or even more modern vehicle, allowing you to control when that fan turns on. Now, they have multiple different options for modern vehicles or classic vehicles for adding circuitry, anywhere from 3 to 7 circuits. So if you're adding aftermarket electronics, different things to your vehicle, it makes it a plug-and-play installation. They also offer harnesses for retrofitting. So you have a classic vehicle, you want to put a more modern 5-liter pushrod engine into your classic vehicle, they actually provide wiring harnesses designed specifically to do so, with different options available for computer mounting. Painless Performance has been in business for almost 30 years, taking a job that most of us don't want to do and making it as painless as possible. Whether you're looking for a complete chassis harness or some accessory wiring, everything you need from Painless Performance is available here at cjponyparts.com.